Welcome back to Colin's Country Farm. After a lot of requests, I finally got the house clean, so here is a full tour of our farmhouse decked out in all the Christmas decorations. It's simple, beautiful, and full of antiques. Enjoy. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and my husband's name is James, and we live on a 60-acre farm in Kentucky in a farmhouse that we built ourselves. Being able to decorate this house for all of the seasons, especially Christmas, is such an honor and a blessing because of all of the hard work that we put into this house. We purchased this property in 2018, and in 2019, we couldn't stand neighborhood living any longer, so we moved into our camper on the farm with our two oldest boys at the time, who were very young. Our oldest was a toddler and our youngest was a baby. And we lived in that camper for the entire year that we built this house ourselves with some help from family and friends. It was so much work because we both continued to work full time during the entire house build process while we were building it because we needed the cash inflow to do it. But let me tell you, even though it was so hard, it was absolutely worth it. And we enjoy every single day that we get to wake up in this beautiful house that we built ourselves. And just a major shout out to my husband because everything you see inside this house was built from scratch by him. And looking back, it's hard to believe that we did it, but he did. And with the grace of God, our marriage survived the house build. So anyway, this is our 5th Christmas in this house, and we absolutely love it. I'm sure you can tell already, but I love red for Christmas. I know that a neutral Christmas is really trendy right now, but I'm just a sucker for a classic Christmas decor. Almost everything that you see in this house has either been gifted to me or inherited from my grandparents or purchased at thrift stores. So it was virtually free to decorate this entire house minus the Christmas tree and a few other things that I have gotten from Hobby Lobby over the years. And that little Christmas tree right there is actually the Christmas tree that was in our camper when we were living in it in 2019 during Christmas. And let me tell you, that little tiny tree brought us so much joy during that Christmas in the camper. And I still love that little Christmas tree to this day. I hope everyone on here has a wonderful Christmas with their family and friends. And I just want to say from James and I that we genuinely are so thankful for this platform and for you guys being here and continuing to support us. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone. And of course, happy homesteading.